Bubble sort via Vim macros. Let's go. I mean, maybe it won't work. Maybe I'm gonna have too many skill issues, but we're gonna give it a go. TeachDV is live. Nice. There we go. Okay, nice. We're live. We're so back, boys. We are so back. Elixir 1.5, you're not Elixir. 10 viewers. Dang. I think you need to Elixir up. I already wrote Elixir on stream. I was writing before Prime. Advent of Code 2024. Here we go, boys. Log in. GitHub. I'm going to authorize them. Okay. I didn't do any yet, chat. So we got to start back at day one. Sorry, you probably already seen this. Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. Yes, I'm teaching her Vim macros. I'm teaching her Vim macros. How did you know? 2024. Maker day one. CD day one. NVim input. TXT. Okay. When will them JP talk? I'm not sure. I can ask them. I'll ask them. You can def bubble. You can def. So bubble sort with macros. Yeah. We can do a lot. Super programming language in C. All right. Okay. Yeah. So blah blah blah.
But let Dan Vale say weird
Vim macros are actually his favorite.
I mean,
True.
Properly tail recursive, like
Live twice in 1 month.
Actually, my favorite.
No big deal, Dan. I got 2 videos. Dan, I'll let you know if there's any videos. Boom. That need editing at any other top shelf coming up. Yes, Prime and I had New York City, and then I had VimConf, and then it was Thanksgiving. Prime and I are gonna start figuring stuff out again. It's just busy. It's just a busy time of the year, you know. Just a busy time of the year. It's a Christmas miracle. Okay, you haven't left yet. Group of Elvish senior historians has already hit a problem. Their list of locations is currently empty. Uh-oh. Yes, please do, Dan. How about the Jose Valim? Yeah, it's gonna drop this week. To be able to crack an AOC? I don't know. I mean, I'm not really gonna try that hard for AOC. I have too many other projects going on. Yo, what's up, Ranjith? Day 0. All right, upon forwarding the office, indeed nor to found. Oh my goodness. Throughout the chief's office. To make sure they don't miss anything, historians split into 2 groups, each in the office trying to create their own complete list of location ideas. There's just one problem. By holding the list side by side, it quickly becomes clear the lists aren't very similar. Maybe you can help the historian reconcile their lists. For example, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 3, 3, 5. Okay, maybe the lists are only off by small amounts. Pair up the numbers and measure how far apart they are. Pair up the smallest number in the left list with the smallest number in the right list, then the second smallest number with the second smallest right number, and so on. Within each pair, figure out how far apart they are. Okay, so it's like sort this list, then get the differences. 4. If you pair up 9 with 30, the difference is 6. Nice. Is it always the... Yes, it's absolute. It's absolute. Yep, abs difference, right? Because it's just the distance between them. Okay. Smallest number in the left is 1, 2, so distance is 2. Yeah. And then find the total. We sum them all. Okay. What's the total distance between your lists? Okay, so here's our input. Here's our input right here, right? I'm trying to think, how can I do this? I actually don't know. Can I do sort? I think if I do this, then it will sort. Yeah, okay, bummer. Okay. Sort is not cheating. It's a Vim command. You're allowed to. YouTube audio not working? Really? Are you just muted? I'll check. We're so back. No. It's working for sure. Oh. Sort with a pattern. Sort lines in range. Or no range, get all line or sort. But I don't want to sort the lines. The problem is we need to basically like split these into 2. So I'm thinking what we could do is we could go like here, like this, and delete it. Go down to here and paste it. You know what I mean? Like You know what I mean? We can basically split all the lines. I'm trying to think how we would do this in Vim macros. The more macros we can do, the better. You know what I'm saying, chat? So like the first option would be we go to here, or maybe we go to end, or maybe we go to... I don't think this will work because we're going to have numbers that are bigger in the real input, right? Like it's going to be big numbers. Yeah. Ooh, do they all happen to be the same size though? Oh, that's pretty convenient. Okay, that's kind of nice actually. But we'll sort that out later. So what's the play? Let's just Monster Cat chill. All right. So I'm thinking I mean, it's easy to sort this side, right? It's easy to sort this one. It's harder to sort this one. The way that I'm thinking of doing it is honestly just going, let's say what if we just split this in two sides, right? Is that crazy? Or we go here, we go down, we go here, we delete these, we go down to the end, we split this here, or we could just drop them here, right? So that would be fine. We could just drop them here, and we go sort and sort. Okay. So now we go back to here. We could yoink these. We can yoink them, go back here, paste them. Okay. So now what we need to do, okay, so I'm pretty sure we can do something like this. %s, digit, plus, 1, 2, 3. Is it not, oh, is it plus like this? 1, 2, 3. Oh, and we got to capture these. 1, 2, 3, right? Oh yeah, so I have too many. Digit, plus. Okay, and what are we going to do? We're going to put in here, can I do equals? I forgot how to do this. I think it's equals. 1 plus 2. No, it's not that. Let me check in substitute. Because there is something you can do with equals or evaluate. When the string starts with /equals, evaluate an expression. See substr, replace expression. You can use this to do a complex replacement of characters. That's the thing that I want to do. Right? Okay. A sub does not apply for enter new line characters. Equals can be used as third argument. Sub of substitute function. Can I use it for just substitute as well? At /equals. Why didn't that work before? Oh, I have to do sub match or something like that. How do I get back the match that I had?
Yes. Okay, was
what's up, suffix?
My favorite.
SE/here. Do I have to? Oh, do I need to literally type sub match? Can return the matching text. Okay. So let's try this instead. Sub match 0 or 1. Let's try this first. Oh, sub match 2. Chat. Okay. We need to yoink this one for later. Okay, we need to yoink this one for later. Okay, so we need this. That's definitely part of it. Yo, what's up, Shrey? You should check out Deadlock. I don't think I'm not that good of a shooter player. Okay, so this way we can take the numbers and we add them together. Now we just need a way to join them and add them all together. I feel like there's got to be a cooler way to do this. So the first thing I'm thinking is, we don't have like sum, do we? No, we don't. Because we can do... I mean, we can go to the end of the line, press plus, then J, then plus, then J, then plus, then J, and then plus, then... Like, we can keep doing this, right? Can I do... Oh, so let's say we do this, right? Let's say we do all of these. Then we can do put equals eval line. No, I don't think that's right. Get line 11. Yeah, so that part's not so bad. That part's pretty easy. I don't know if that's a fun solution though. Oh, what up, backup? What could I do instead? Put Vim or nvim buff. Because what we could do here is nvim nvim buff get lines 0 0 -1 0, and then we want to like concat these. Where's concat? Don't we have like or it's join? Yeah. But this is not very Vim macro-y, I feel like, chat. You know what I mean? This is just not very Vim macro-y. No, it's day one. Ooh, so it's in Vim script. This is Vim script land here. What does this look like? Maybe I don't know what this does. Invalid argument for join list? What is this? Wait, what? Echo nvim buff get lines 0 0 -1 0. Oh, there's an empty line. Oh, that's my bad. Oh, so this should work actually. Right? No? What? Why didn't that work? Join? Okay, that seems like it should work. Then why does join invalid argument for join? What? Chat, why is it not working? What did I not do right? Join. Oops. That looks like I should be able to eval that, does it not? Then why couldn't I do put equals this?
My favorite.
I thought that I could do that. Put. Text from register after line equals. I'll play an optional expression. It continues to end the line. You need to escape slash and. Oh my goodness.
Is actually my favorite.
Yo, what up, Shrimp? Pascal, hey, thanks for the subs. I have to do this. Salt my hammies, dude. Okay. So that's good, but it's not that cool. You know what I mean? So the better way. Let's. Okay, so first we'll just yoink this here. And we'll put this inside of here, right? This is kind of like. I think we've got to be able to do. I think it's music. No, song. You're right. It was Broken Glass. Aux sum plus. Yeah, but that's cheating. We have to do it only inside of this. We have to do only Vim shenanigans. I don't want to call any command line stuff. No. It was just that it. No, do it now. It like the problem is if the Twitch thing doesn't automatically refresh often enough, Dan. So sometimes it just takes the second one. Like now people should be able to send song and it should work. Yeah. So it was just some other problem. Okay, so this part, that's cool. Okay, what can we do instead? I think we can do, if we record in a macro, like let's say we record A and we join R plus Q. We do at A, at A. Okay, so that part's good. And can we just do at equals This not really registers for text, but is a way to use an expression in commands which use a register. The expression is read write. You type after or control R, moves the command line. Can I just do control put equals control R equals get line? Okay, that way's cooler, I feel like. That I do feel like that way is cooler. It would be kind of fun though if we did this one thing at a time, like to watch it. Okay, a different option. A different option is we can do something like this again, where we take this, and we go plus. Okay, then we would join and do it again, and then we would join and do it again, and then we would join and do it again, and then we would join and do it again. Okay, that way I feel like is more fun. You know what I mean? I feel like this way is more fun. Like join and then add the lines. That way is way more fun. Yeah, yeah, I know we don't really need abs anymore. That's fine. We're definitely fun maxing. We're trying to do it with mostly Vim macros, right? Can I do this with norm somehow? Execute normal command. This makes it possible to execute normal commands on the command line, like they're typed for all new commands, if mappings will not be used. I mean, we could try it with normal. Normal basically will do this, right? But that's like not that exciting. I'm trying to think if there's a better way to do this, right? So first thing we did was we did v new. Okay, so we did here. We'll go all the way back to the beginning here. So we did. They thought you weren't political. Funny. Word, Control V, G, $, delete, V new, paste. Okay, so let's do put equals at A, right? Okay. Okay, so now we have these. So then it's then we just do sort and sort. Okay, right? We do sort, right, save script.vim. Okay. Can I just execute this line? Source script.vim. Okay, so it doesn't let me, it didn't like that very much. I think it doesn't like having these in here directly. So I want to go like this. W, control V. Let's try this. So here's where we had. We got to get our example input again here. So we can go, let's just do source script vim. Search pattern after this. Oh, that didn't work. Do I need to say, maybe I should say norm. Oh, this is, no, because this is like feed keys. Right, that's what I need to say as like my macro. I forget how I'm supposed to. Some weird hieroglyph. Nice. There's for Neovan for a full second. I want you to know that you're awesome. Thanks, Ron J. Because really we want to do W. I don't. That doesn't work. Norm W. That's just right. Oh no. Okay. That part's good.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like
Why
this
didn't?
was actually my favorite.
So what even is the error? Oh, this doesn't. We don't need this. Right. Right. Norm W control V G $D. Why didn't it do this, chat? Why didn't it do this? Do I need to use feed keys instead, or do I need to set them? What if we go at a equals? Can I do this? I've forgotten this too. At a exec, and it's been a little while. Register. Sort these subs, exactly. Didn't you read all these decks already? Why are you reading them again? Actually, we didn't read those. These aren't in the user manual. Nice try. I think I can do this though. Can't I just do like let at a is this? And then can I just do norm at a? Does that work? Let's try. It doesn't seem like it worked really. We'll see. Okay, so I just need to leave those in as literals. Okay. Oh, I think maybe I need to escape them to get it to work like that. Okay, nice. And then we do...
Hello,
then we just do sort. And then we can go norm. Norm. Control V, Control W, H. And then sort again. All right, so let's try that. Nice. Okay, good luck, Dan. Guys, this is your Twitch integrations. I don't know how. What would we do? Yeah, it's okay. We can do sort. I think we just do N. Yeah, we can do N, is fine. It doesn't matter because I looked at the inputs and they're all the same length. But yeah, normally you really should do it like numbers. So it's good. Okay, so then we say... So we're here and here. We sort this. Then we need to go back to here. And then we go norm, D. We go, let's go G. D, G, G. Oh, wait, but if actually, no, that's not right. We need to go here again and do the same thing here. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That was a close one. That was a close one. So we need to go up here and we need to go GG, Control V, G, D, Control W. Oops. Control V, H, GG, paste. I think that'll work. All right, so let's try this again. Okay, we lost our spacing between them though. Why did we do that? GGW. We'll try that. Oh, okay. Oh, just $sign instead of W. We need to do $sign. So close, chat. So close. Okay, we got it. We got it. Okay, now we can do this line. I wonder if maybe we should like pause in between each one so you can see it. Now use your dump stripe for weapons, and then we have an increment style brawl. Winner gets to teach Twitch channel. Dang, that's pretty convincing. We could implement some fighting between users, but we need to have some penalties for like failing and things like that. You know? How do I change one of the built-in color schemes permanently in Kickstart? There's nothing permanent in Kickstart. Just delete it. I don't know what you mean. Just go and change the code. All right, so now we have this. Let's source this again. I guess I didn't write that. Nice. Okay, so now we got our substitutions. Very cool. Silent. Now I want to do, I mean, this is not that, this way is the not cool way, but let's just see if it works, right? You can't, because sort is a line-based operation, Ibra. At least not that I know of. I didn't know of any way. Maybe there is that I didn't know. And there, when pattern is specified and there is no R flag, the text match with pattern is skipped so that you sort on what comes after the match. Yeah, but it sorts the whole line still. Yeah. I think it still sorts the whole line. Like it'll do line based, right? All right, so let's just try and run this. 11. Boom. That's the right answer. Let's try and do this with test.txt. Or yeah, that's fine, whatever. Place this here. These need to get deleted. Yeah. Okay, so let's just source our script. Okay. So let's see if that's the right number. Not the right answer. It's too high. It's too high. What did we do wrong? Oh, it doesn't look right at all, does it? We didn't get these numbers back. We didn't get the numbers back. What did we do wrong here? Let's stop at... Oh, wait. Are they not all the same line? All right, let's try again. W, Control V, G, $D, V new, over here, paste, sort N, go back to here, GG, Control V, G. Oh, I gotta do $sign here. I forgot the $sign. Control V, G, $D. That's why. We got it, boys. Don't worry. I've got it. This is the most unemployed thing I've ever seen. Fortunately, I don't have any work to do, Dex. Adam never meets with me to work on code, you know? So what am I supposed to do? There we go. That looks better. That looks better. That's the right answer. Nice. Okay. Two lists are very different. Or are they? The historians can't agree on which group made the mistakes or how to read most of the Chiefs' handwriting. Relatable. With the motion, you notice an interesting detail. A lot of location IDs appear in both lists. Maybe the other numbers aren't location IDs at all, but rather misinterpreted handwriting. This time you'll need to figure out exactly how often each number from the left list appears in the right list. Calculate a total similarity score by adding up each number in the left list after multiplying it by the number of times the number appears on the right list. First number is 3, so we look for 1, 2, okay. We can, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so let's go back to our test input here. All right, so this is part 1. Actually, we'll make ourselves a part 1.nvim, part 2.vim. Okay, nice. All right, so let's try this. So puzzle input is bigger, so it'd be cool to see with pause in between. Okay, I've got an idea. We can watch it. Let's go here and we'll go get char. You can just do call get char. We'll try this. Does this work? Oh, it doesn't redraw in between. Okay. Okay, we would need to do like redraw, I think. I think that actually messes it up. All right, we're not gonna mess with that for right now. We'll think about later how we could do like a visualization of it. What is this challenge? It's for fun. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to take each of these numbers. First number in the list is 3. What about if we see 3 again? I list 3 times, the similarity score increases by 9. 3 times 3, 1 time, 2 times 0. Okay. So I think we can do. So I'm thinking we can yoink basically the part that we did here before of this section. Someone solved it in Vim already? Oh, I'm sure someone solved it in Vim already, yeah. Okay, so what I'm thinking here is we can go for each line. We can, and just call search. I think we can do search count. No, not this one. There's match. Match is a list, returns index to this, otherwise used as a string. I thought there was, maybe it's in search. Can I do, now move the cursor, return number, matching sub pattern, set the mark. I thought there was something for like get the count. Stop the count? No, start the count. Max count was 1. No, that part seems weird. Because I guess we could do echo search count. if we just search for 3, right? And then we go echo search count. Total 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Because we could definitely do something like, I'm thinking, so it's like, okay, if we do, let's say we do this part first, right? So we do this. Why did that not work? There we go. That seems better. Okay. So now we have these. So if I do something like, let's do yank word, we go over to here, we do slash, we paste it, Control R plus, and then we look for this. We go echo search count dot total. Okay. Times at plus 9. Okay. So hear me out, chat. Hear me out, right? So what if we go... We actually need to like trim all of these first. So we need to go back to our original one. So basically we need to make like an inner loop, like let at B will do is, you know, Control W H. We'll go back to our original one. Win Command H. We'll move back first here. Then we do %s slash right, that works, doesn't it? So now there's no... What? Why is this not... Oh, am I doing it right? There we go. Now there's none left. Okay, awesome. Norm, GG. Okay, so now we move back to the top. So here's where I'm trying to figure out, how do we keep these in a nice, like... like a nice intermediate spot? Because basically the problem is we're going to do this. So we'll be here. So then what I want to do is I want to like delete this line. I want to move over to here. I want to do slash at plus. Does that work? No. At plus. No, I can't do that. Oh, I got to do slash equals. No, I can't do it. Okay, so I just have to go slash and then paste it in. 3. Oh, I think I can do call search at plus. Nice. Okay. So we could go... So we go DD. We'll move to the next line. We move to here. We do call search at plus. Enter. Then we say... Let's just try for right now. Echo search count dot total times at plus. Let's see if that works. Let's see if that works. Instead of deleting these for right now too, we'll just call YY. Oh, I can't actually do this. At B, what? Range expected this. Is it because I have enter inside of here? Why doesn't this work? If I do, can I do this? I don't remember. I thought maybe this will work. At B. 12. Oh, hey, it worked, chat. It worked. Okay, nice. We're actually doing it. We actually are doing it. Nice. Called it on admin. And people said they wanted it, so I figured why not? We'll give it a go for a little bit. Seems fun. Maybe there's a way to execute this in a slightly different method. Search. When I look for this, when I do a pattern, I thought there was a pattern for registers. I'm not sure. At slash? No. We can ask ChatGPT. Is there a way to search for text? Search for the contents of a register in Vim. Control R. Oh, right. I can just do Control R and then the register. So can I do this? Can I do slash Control R plus? Oh, that's the one that we want to do. That's way cooler. That's way cooler, chat. So we're going to go slash Control R plus enter. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that, chat. Let's try that. At B. Go. What did I do wrong here? Oh, I need to do... No. Slash Control R plus enter. Okay. Yo, Dylan. What's up, Dylan? How's it going, buddy? At B. 9. Nice. We got it. We got it. You need to station your rendering using regex. No. There's barely even any regex. There's barely even any regex. What are possible ways to get the search count? I think the only way is to get search count here. Okay, but so if we changed this to, instead of being YY to be D, we can go to here. We could put this into a register. 21 months. That's a while. It's just search count. Okay. Using G with count. If you want a specific pattern and not the last search, you can use G pattern. Really? Can I put that into something? Ooh. G3 here. 3333. That is not what I thought it was going to do. That doesn't seem right. You want a specific pattern, not the last search, you can use G command. This will list the lines, pattern mentioned along the total count at the bottom. Pattern command, default P. You can put that. Wait, wrong chat. Wrong chat. Is it command patterns? Bar, you know, these are all fine. Concats, atoms, magic. Yeah. I know about magic already. I don't think any of these are really going to solve my problem because I want to do like a count of them. What's up, Pedro? Requires a match 0 with End of character classes /e. End of line. No, that's not. Those aren't what we're looking for still. Because where is like... That's not going to work either, chat. That's not going to work either. Highlighting matches. No, fuzzy matching. Okay, so... Pattern. This will say list lines. Can I capture this somehow instead? What if I do... I don't know that this is any better, though. Like, I was kind of trying to do, like, a code golf sort of situation. But I don't think that that's really going to work. I don't think it's going to get any shorter. Execute the X command, default P, on the lines within range where pattern matches. Okay, right. Oh, I see. So it's like help. Right. This synonym for number. This just prints the lines. Okay, maybe there is one.
Made properly tail recursive, like
Yes.
OCaml is actually my favorite.
So higher functioning. Thank you. Thanks. Appreciate that. Why is Prime using Zed, bro? I don't know. I haven't talked to him about it. HL search. You can visually count the highlighted matches. You can want to like see next, see pre to reverse them. No, none of these are good. This doesn't really seem right. I was kind of hoping. I think this is still our best bet. It's still pretty cool because we get the search count and we go here. So what we need to do is we need to put this somewhere helpful for us. We could put it in a register. Oh, you know what? We could do sum, or we can say solution is solution plus let G solution equals 0. Something like this. That's not that cool, but at least it's something. All right, so let's say we go here. Let's make this to be true. At B, echo G solution. Oh, we didn't do... Wait, what? What was the message? Oh, I didn't read. G solution. Oh, right. I didn't run this. Okay. At B, trailing solution. Let G solution equals G solution total plus this. Oh, wait. No, what? Oh, Lando's penalty. Oh no, some F1 stuff. So we'll do DD control L here slash control R plus enter let G solution equals G solution plus search count dot total times at plus enter echo G solution 9. Okay. I wonder if there's something messed up about this. At B. Oops. At B. At B. Oops. Ah! Echo G solution. 13. Okay, so I think it's actually kind of working. So then after we do this, we need to go like Control W H to go back to where we were before. Okay, sure. All right, so let's try that. Okay, all right, chat. Okay, I think we've got it. So at B, at B, at B, at B. Oh, ooh, but if it's not found, what am I supposed to do? That makes it have an error. And then does it cancel executing this? Oh, ooh, chat, not good. Not good. Is this magic? It sure is. I forget. There's some setting for this. Is there a setting to disable the error message when a match is not found in a search? I don't want to type silent though. Fine. I think if we do, what happens if we do silent/2? Still gives me an error though. I think that's going to stop the execution. Pattern not found. The E flag can be used to avoid the error message. Aha. 2/E. It sure looks like it still has it. Well, that's for S though. I think it's going to stop looking for it when it has that happen, though. We'll try. We'll try. Because it just stops it. That's the problem. This is part 2. We did part 1 already. Oh, cool, Alexi. Nice. Wait, I have to do /E like this. 2/E. Or you're saying /E2. I think that matches escape. I think it only does it. Oh, maybe we just need to call search instead. Oh, maybe we can just do that instead. Let's try. Let's just do call search 3. Echo search 3. 6. And then flags would be do not move cursor, return number of matching patterns, wrap around the end of the file. Like this. Wait, is that not right? How many times should we see 3 here? We should see 3. What? S flag is supplied. The mark set is call search. What happens if we just search 3? 2. That's not right at all. Oh, that's where it is found. Search for register pattern. Search starts the cursor position. When a match starts found line. It's line numbers returned. That's not what we want at all. That's not what we want at all. Except a match at the cursor position. Okay. Very much. So /2 / it doesn't seem like that works, Dan. Can you give me an example? What exactly should I type to search for 2 in this one and not error? I want it to wrap around. Call search 3. It should be do not move the cursor. Oh, I want to get the count of it. Yeah. So we should do W. And I need to call this echo again. I keep forgetting. 6. Not right. I guess it doesn't really matter. If we just call search 3, and we do echo search total, 0. 0? Oh, so that just doesn't affect search count. Oh, can I just do this? Echo search count pattern 2. None. What if I do 3? Oh, there we go. So we can just skip doing this part and we can put it in here, right? We just skip this part entirely. We delete the line, we move to the next one. We sum this up by going pattern at plus. I don't know if that's going to work. Well, I'm only one way to find out, boys. At B, at B, at B, at B, at B, at B. Okay. Echo G solution. It says it should be 13. That's not right. That's not right at all. 31. We definitely didn't do that. I don't I'm getting saved yet. It's only been 2 days. What? All right, so then I want to try and do search count total. Record time burnout, yeah. Echo G solution 0. That's wrong. Wrong. Maybe I need to do like this. We'll try that, chat. We'll try this. Why isn't this working? Oh my goodness, there we go. Sure. Okay, wait. At B now. 0. Okay, so that didn't work either. What? G solution plus search count pattern. Let's try and write this. Echo search count pattern. Oh, I need to do Control R plus. We'll do this. I need to actually insert it physically. Like I'm typing it. All right, we'll try that again. Oops. Okay. 31. Oh, we got it, boys. We got it. Okay, so now we just need to repeat this until it's done. I don't know how to make it error so that it errors on the last one. I mean, we could just do 5,000 at B. We can just get the line count and figure out what it should be. Oh, I know. All right, so here's where we need to do this. So we should be able to do echo lines and Vim buff line count 0. Okay, so we can do let g lines is nvim buff line count. Yeah, and then we can just do execute norm at b. Can I just do g lines like this? We can try, right? We can try. We can try, boys. All right, so let's do source part 2. Okay, I feel like we must have been close, but just didn't quite work. Why didn't that work? Why did this not %s/plus $ here? Oh, maybe we need to do no, that should work. Why would this not work? Let's try just from here. With Vim Macros, exactly. Okay, so we're getting kind of close here, but it just didn't quite work. Source part 2. So we are here. So then it should be norm GG. Then we do GG. And let solution is this. Okay. Here. What does norm? What does norm 50 at B do? Okay, so it does seem like it's trying to execute it, but it just doesn't work. What does just at B do? Okay, so that, why would that not work? Can you not change? Maybe there's something weird with execute? Oops. Okay, so let's actually just do this. We'll just go echo this, and then we'll just run it that many times. Okay, because I can't figure that out right now. Let's try this. We'll just see if this works first off before we go do anything crazy, right? Which is like, all right, so let's go source part 2. So we're here. We get to here. So now it should be 6 lines. So it should do 6 at B. Echo G solution 31. Okay. So that, I mean, that was right. That was right. Test. So I mean, let's just try it here, right? Source part 2, 1,000. So 1,000 at B. Oh, dude, it's so sick watching it run. Oh, it's working perfectly, chat. It's working perfectly. We're almost there. Chat, we're almost there. I'm sure we're getting close now. I'm sure we're almost there. This is day 1. Yeah, part 2. Echo G solution. Okay. Put equals G solution. I think I can just do this, right? Yeah. Okay. Easiest macro of my life, chat. Easiest macro of my life. Easiest macro of my life. Just a little quick macro 1 hour later. Oh man, there has to be a few things we could do to make this like a little bit better. I feel like there are a few things that would be fun. Can you do without the let? I just don't know how I keep track of the number. I feel like I need a macro for sum all the lines. Like we should maybe make a few macros, because the thing we could do, so like, let's say we did this slightly differently. Earlier 5 minutes. Okay. Earlier 5 minutes. What? That's not what I had originally for the test. Okay. Oh, it ran out of undo history. That's what I'm saying. Maybe we just need a little macro library. So the thing we could do is, instead of doing this, okay, we could put this back into something. There's a few things we could do. Obviously, like, this isn't how you would normally solve it. Like, I would not do the searching every single time. I would sort them. You could do a lot of stuff to figure this out yourself instead. Like, if you sorted both, you could probably delete up until when you find it. Which maybe that would be kind of fun to figure out. Use marks to track the total. Marks to track the total. Well, I was thinking, instead what we could, so let's say let's take what we had before for part 1 here. Okay, and let's go back to this. And let's go here for part 2, okay? And let's do this. Right? And so then we would be here. I actually don't think we want to put this back inside. I don't think we want to put this back inside the buffer. So let's not do this part. We can just say win command H and win command L like this. That looks a little nicer. Right, so then we go here, and then we go back to here, and now we're here. Okay, so let's just so this is get the numbers split into 2 buffers. Okay, right, and then this is sort. Then this is sort new right buffer. This is sort left buffer. Okay. All right, and then we'll just pause these for a sec, right? So, okay, so let's go back to here. We'll delete this. We go here, source part 2, right? So now we have these sorted. So obviously this is better, right? Obviously you want to sort these first because that lets you do a bunch of things that are easier. Like you could do, hey, I haven't found any of these. Like, maybe we can call search in some way that lets us find the last one of these and we can get the number. And then we can also delete everything up to here. So it'll be like way faster, because after you search for 1, you don't find 1, you delete this, nothing. We can move the cursor to the last one. Oh, and then we could just get the line count. The problem is we have these repeated. What would I do for this? That part's tough. Because if I delete this in here, then I can't get the multiple lines. Oh, chat. I don't know. What keyboard do you use? I use a Dactyl Maniform. Do you guys know what I'm saying? Like, this is easy if we don't have any duplicates on this side. We could use like a dictionary. We could store what it is. How do you find Devante? I haven't used it. I haven't used it very much yet. It's on my list to try and properly explore. I'll explore by the end of the month for sure. But I'm not really sure. I'm not sure what I want to try and do. I'd like to do it, I agree, without keeping this let around. So my first thought would be, can you convert the left list to line numbers? Then for each line in the right, add X to that line in the line buffer. Can you convert the left list to line numbers? Then for each line in the right, add an X to that line in the line buffer. So I was thinking what we could do is we could go through each of these. Like, let's say instead of deleting this line, we go like yank, we go over here and we search, and then we come back, and then we change this line with what we had. So we'd have to like paste in what we had before, right? So we'd just like change this and paste in 0 or something like this, right? So it'd be like this line get changed to 0. Then we go down a line and we do the same thing. This one would also get changed to 0. Then this one would get changed to 9, right? Right, this one would get changed to 9, this one would get changed to 9, and then this one would get changed to 4, right? And then we could go back and sum all of these. And I think if we do, I think actually if we call search count, update the last search count. Out S and short mass C is not set. Current position of the match 0, exact match, total incomplete. Because you get the last. Seems like a more sane solution. Yeah. I mean, that's better, right? That's better. The main thing I want to try and not do is I'd like to not use any variables, because variables kind of seem like cheating. You know what I mean? Like, it kind of seems like cheating. That's at least how I feel. I feel like it's cheating. It kind of goes against the spirit of what we're doing here. Search count. Key, recompute, pattern, timeout, max count, pos, value, and... Yes, make it harder for yourself. Exactly. If true, recompute. So I'm thinking, what if we do just search, right? And so we go search backwards instead of forward, accept a match, move to the end of the match. Because we can go like this. So chat, we can go like this. We can say echo search, and we could go 3. We could accept the one at the cursor like this, right? And so that'll be 1. But then if we go backwards without accepting one at the cursor here, and we say wrap around the end of the file, we'll get 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 1 makes 3. That's 9. Obviously, it quick maths. But okay, but do you guys see what I'm saying? Right, because if we go here and we say, we search, let's say we search now, we're at the top of the file. We search for 4, we'll get 4, right? And we need to not move the cursor. But if we don't search backward, then we also get 4. So 4 minus 4 plus 1. There's only one line of these, right? You guys know what I'm saying? So we can actually just only search for the first and last one since it's sorted. I don't know if this is making sense. If we search for 4, we get 4. Exactly. But yeah, let me show you. This is like let first match. We're gonna shorten this and golf this later. Is there a motion for getting, I don't know, first match, search, right? And it's gonna be like some pattern, like 4, right? And then we're gonna work forward here, like this, and don't move the cursor. Then we go let last match, search 4. We're gonna go CNW back. Okay, right? So let's say we do this, right? So we do this here, and we get 4, and we do last match, and we do the same thing, 4. Now we do echo first match, 4, and last match. Just happens to be a little unfortunate that it's oh, I wanted to say do wrap. Just happens that line 4 is on line 4. Here, let me just like put a few example numbers in here. 1, 2, 3. Then it's gonna give I don't know. Let's see what happens. 35. Echo last match. It's just 0. because it doesn't match. Let me think. Is there a search engine cursor column says 0, neither than wrap scan, S applies, C flag given. Echo last match, or hi. Okay, so we could potentially do that. Okay. So I'm thinking we do this, right? So we say let at B is yank. Control W L. We'll move to the next line, right? And then we say call, or we'll need to like let at C. Sure, that can be the number. Is search. Control. Oh my goodness. This is kind of annoying. Plus, and then we're gonna say NBW minus. Oh, this is actually worse. I feel like, chat. I feel like this is worse. I mean, it will probably be, it like will solve faster because it doesn't need to search the entire. It doesn't need to search the entire file every time for every single one. It just needs to search for the first match.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, OCaml is actually my favorite.
Conjoin makes it worth 19 subs. Exactly. Yes.
We're good. Cool. What else?
Exactly, Prim. Okay, I have to leave in 5 minutes. I don't think we're going to get far enough on this one. Oh, we also, yeah, we don't want to move it on here. But this doesn't really work either because like you're saying, if it's not found. Then we get 0, but it won't work. Oh, but it'll be 0 minus 0. So it's 0. Oh, that's perfect, actually, chat. No, it's perfect. It'll be 0 minus 0 times at plus. Okay. So what if we just hear me out here. Let's do this. Okay. So let's go here and let's yoink this. And then we'll do echo this. Search this times this. So let's just say echo this. All right, let's try that. And we'll yoink this and then we'll go at C. Whoops. At C. Okay, that didn't work at all. Maybe I need to put another one. Oh, I'm missing a quote right here. At, oh, here we go. We go over here at C. Okay, so we just pasted in a bunch of random stuff. Why did we do that? Search. Oh, I'm stupid. We need to go here first because I didn't write this. We weren't already in insert mode. My bad, chat. At C, and then enter 0. Okay, that's right. What about this one, chat? At C, 6. So close because we forgot to add 1. Ah, shoot. But that doesn't work. How do you cope with the problem of leaving the problem unsolved? It ruins the whole day for me at work. Well, I'm not going to work. I have a dentist appointment, so it's kind of fine. Just solving leap, not proud of what I did. Nice. I feel like this code is going to trip up Copilot. So true. Proof it's going well, though. That thumbnail, though. Okay, so here's the problem. Here's where if we add 1 to this, we're gonna kind of get screwed for this part. I feel like. We can go 0, or if it's true, I don't know how to store this in intermediate variables. How's OCaml? Oh, this is great OCaml. How many different ways are you solving each day? This is for part 2. We already solved part 2, but we're trying to do one without. It felt like this was kind of cheating. Ooh. This Friday, as I'm going all in on my side project. All the time I spend on now project booking DB Camel again. Wait, what? So I resigned this Friday as I'm going all in on my side project, which means at the time I now spend on my side projects. Well, I don't understand, Priv. Team Discord, everybody saw the cheating-ish. Nice. Okay, actually, let's just drop this idea. We can do this. We can go back to this idea. But instead of this, we'll do yank. We'll say let we'll say result R is this. Search count total here. Search pattern is this. Go back to here. V quote if I have this in, I do ABP, right? Yeah, okay. Quote RP. I think that will work. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this option, chat. At B. Nope. I forgot to run this. Okay. At B. 0. At B. 0. At B. 9. So this part works. Okay, so that works. That actually works flawlessly, chat. Okay, that actually works flawlessly. GG no cheating. GG no cheating. Exactly. Okay, so now we can go back to here. We'll delete this. We'll delete this whole section here. The sorting, I don't think even matters now. We'll leave it for now just because it seems kind of cool. So let's go back to here. And we'll do source part 2.vim 1,000 substitutions. It's 1,000 at B. Oh, it's actually so much cooler this way, chat. It's actually so much cooler. No, it doesn't. We didn't take advantage of that part slamming because it seems kind of too annoying. Okay, I gotta go. Is Prime on yet? Finally. Okay. That's not right. Raid the Prime again. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow probably. I gotta work on my Advent of Envim videos tonight. I think this way might be slower. This is pretty funny though, chat. It's pretty funny. Then we need to sum this. It would be better if we could figure out how to sort these or something different, or turn lazy redraw, but it's fine. Okay, bye everyone. I'll see you later. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks everybody. See ya.